We're back. Got the Jackson 5 with us. I forgot to mention, guys, I'm sorry. You guys got your own summer show now at 8 o'clock, Wednesday nights on that other network. But that's good. How you guys enjoy doing it?
Yes, a lot of fun.
Good? Yeah, I saw a little bit of the show, and it was really hot.
Thank you.
Hot stuff coming through, look out. Yeah, it was good. You like doing the sketches and stuff?
Yeah, it's really fun because we get a chance to do dancing. Every week we have a dance number. We have impressions. We have comedy. With people.
Yeah, who does the impressions? I heard somebody does impressions.
Janet and Randy.
Yeah?
My sister.
Yeah, your sisters are here. Can we get a shot?
Yeah,
Where
where
are
are
your
they?
sisters?
Are they here? Where are you, girls? Stand up. Oh, there
Stand
you
up.
are.
There they are. I knew there was more than 5 Jacksons. Somewhere in my mind I knew there was more than 5.
Yeah.
That's good. So what impressions you been doing?
Captain Tennille, Sonny and Cher.
Sonny and Cher?
Ed McMahon is in the show also.
Yeah, she did Mae West, the little girl. She's so cute, and I did W.C. Fields. Really good.
Yeah, that's about it.
We have to meet in a bar by chance.
Ah, yes. But that's good. That's good because I know because I seen you guys in Las Vegas, your stage act, and it's hot, it's moving, it's dancing, it's all the moves. Which growing up you see that in the music. And now when I saw the show, it was a totally different thing. It was a departure, and the guys doing comedy.
Yeah, right.
Getting in on our territory.
Yeah.
That's good though. That's good. What is this that I had the question here? I was going to ask you about it. What is it, Michael? You crazy about animals?
Oh yeah.
What is this that you got what he called here an exotic peacock running around on top of our roof?
Oh yeah.
You get arrested for that in L.A.
Yeah, that's true. But you just blew it. So
everybody's going to come to your house now looking for a peacock.
No, I have this peacock. I have 3 peacocks, and I just let them walk around. And early in the morning, they scream real loud, and the neighbors are complaining. And so I went up on top of the roof with a broom, and I get them
5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, 5 o'clock in the morning.
Peacocks at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Wow, I thought I wasn't ready for certain things at 5 in the morning. Are we going to get another song out of you?
Sure, yeah.
We are. Right now?
Yeah.
Right now? Yeah, we're going to... Okay.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Please sing. Okay. Michael Jackson.
Thank you.
Sadness had been close as my next of kin. Then happy came one day, chased my blues away. My life began with happy smile, sweet like candy to a child. Stay here and love me just a while. Let sadness see what happy does. Let happy be where sadness was. Happy, that's you. You made my life brand new. Lost as a little lamb was I, till you came in. Happy came smiling up at me. Sadness had no choice but to flee. A prayer so silently. Let sadness see what happy does. Let happy be where sadness was. Till now. Yeah. Where have I been? What lifetime was I in? Suspended between time and space.
Ashes, the Jackson 5, ladies and gentlemen.